In this video, I'll show you how to import date timelines from Excel into Monday.com. Start from your workspace dashboard. Before importing the file, make sure your Excel spreadsheet is organized properly. Your spreadsheet should include columns for task names, start dates, end dates, or timeline ranges. Now return to Monday.com. Click on the board you are working on and make sure you have a timeline column. If you don't have one, go to the right side of your board and click the plus add button, then click on timeline from the list. After that, click the three dot menu icon at the top right corner of the board. Hover over more actions from the list and select import tasks. Click on browse or you can drag the file to this panel. Choose your Excel file from your computer and then click open. After the file has loaded, click Map Columns at the bottom of the panel and connect the task names, start date, and end date to the corresponding columns. Click Continue to move to the next step. In this step, you would want to select Update Matches and click the drop down and choose Task. Click Start Import at the bottom to begin importing. The tasks and timeline data will now appear inside your Monday.com board. You can archive or delete any extra group generated by the import. To visualize the imported schedules more clearly, add timeline or Gantt views near the top of the board. Click the plus add view, then select timeline or Gantt view. Importing project timelines from Excel helps teams migrate data faster without manually rebuilding schedules from scratch. And that's how to import date timelines from Excel into Monday.com.